Okay guys, today what we've got is a Sterling, see that? It's a 5-pin Euro thumb turn, which is working fine with the keys. I'll just try and shade a bit in there on the key. Okay, so let's get it picked. I'm going to SPP this one. I'm going to use bottom of the keyway tension and a medium flat hook. And there we go, it's picked. Quite an easy one, this one. It does contain securities. It has 3 spool pins in it, very shallow cut spool pins which really don't pose much of a problem. I'm just going to show you something here. If you ever look at the cam, which would normally operate the bolt when this is fitted into a lock, if we turn the cylinder here, you notice the cam doesn't really move, well, not enough to operate the locking bolt. What you'd need to do, if this was fitted to a door, is insert your pick into the back of the lock, and twist it that way. That's basically mimicking what the key would do, because the key pushes back on that spring in there. And there we go. This has probably got a bypass on it, like a lot of thumb turn locks. Maybe I might be able to show you. Let's try this one. This is the slimmest one I've got. A little dimple pick. Let's see if we can get it. There we go. Just had it on there. I mean, obviously this isn't the right sort of thing to use for this, but I can show you there just quickly. You see how we're turning the cam there without actually picking the cylinder. It would go all the way, but because this is a flat pick, it's restricting there on the warding of the keyway. We can get it to go a little bit. There we go, before it jams there. So that one is bypassable. So anyway, there we go, that's a Sterling thumb turn 5-pin Euro cylinder. SPP'd. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, so we'll be posting some more videos soon. Please leave your comments and please rate the video. Cheers.